We are at Chembur today. So today we are here to try Sindhi cuisine. So let's go.
अगर आप जामा पे आके कुल्फी आइसक्रीम फालूदा नहीं खाओगे तो चेंबूर आना फ्लॉप है आपका। लेट्स ट्राई आउट। इतना प्यारा कुल्फी है और फालूदा, उसके ऊपर बादाम पिस्ता डाला हुआ है और सेवरी और रबड़ी डाला हुआ है। सबसे बेस्ट चीज है ये रबड़ी। ओ होए 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 होए, मजे हो गया आज तो मजे। खाने के लिए मिला।
A few moments later.
So now I'm at Mumbai Chinese and Seafood Masala, which is bang opposite Cubic Mall, Chembur. Now let's give it a try for the crispy chicken. It's nicely fried and the fragrance is making me go crazy. So the front, again, I'm crunching it out. The chicken has been nicely fried, cooked with a little bit of spice, a little bit of sweet in it. There is a Chinese dish. You're visiting, it's a must try dish. The crisps, you'll fall in love with it. Cheers.
Okay, so we've got our fried prawns in our hand today. So this is the size of the prawns, and along with it you get chutney and onion and the lemon. So now let's squeeze a little lemon. I love seafood. Cheers. The prawns are like prawns koli vada type, but slightly lesser spicy. The chutney is spicy definitely, so that's adding to another flavor, but a little expensive compared to the last seafood that we had tasted, because this entire thing costed me around 200, and the size of the prawns are really small. Cheers.
So his logo says the best coffee in town, and I have taken their best seller, which is tempting tiramisu. So let me try it. Cheers. We're getting the coffee flavor and the milk thickness. The milk is thick, and you're getting the tiramisu flavor also. So whenever you are in Chembur, opposite Cubic Mall, so this is one of the places that you should never miss.
So today we are at the restaurant called Big. They are here since 1951, alright, and their speciality is Sindhi items, Sindhi dishes. So today we are here to try Sindhi cuisine. So let's go and check out. So this is the chas, such a big glass. I mean, I think it's as equal to my face. And then we have this, the small one, which is the lassi. Right. So let's try their chas. Very light and fluffy. A little hint of jeera, nothing more. A very, very simple but nice and authentic chas. Cheers. Alright, now time to try their sweet, sweet lassi. Balanced, sweet, and the top malai. It's pretty bland but very, very fresh, very refreshing, and I can drink this entire glass. So it's yummy. Cheers. तो अभी हमारे हाथ में आ चुका है विग रेस्टोरेंट का छोले एंड दिस इज पैटिस. ये उनका बहुत ही फेमस आइटम है. So this is basically wow. का जो बाहर का लेयर है, this one it has a different coating. एंड देन अंदर जो है वो एक फिलिंग है. इसे ना छोले के साथ खाया जाता है, एंड इट्स अ सिंधी डिश. सो लेट्स गो अहेड एंड ट्राई विद द छोले एंड अ लिटिल अनियन. जो अंदर की फिलिंग है ना, जस्ट छोले, जस्ट ड्राइड छोले, coriander, a lot of masala, and the top filling is potatoes, and it's actually the exteriors are crunchy. and the chole, it's well cooked and not very spicy. It's not spicy at all, but very flavorful. Now our second dish is dal pakwan. I can see half split जो चना होता है ना उसका है ये दाल, and then they have given आलू का gravy, which is again जो मसाला है that's looking very peppery, so you know I want to try that. और उसके साथ आता है ये which is the पूरी, कड़क सा पूरी है जो इसके साथ खाया जाता है. This is a very authentic सिंधी dish. पहले मुझे थोड़ा आलू का जो ये है ग्रेवी, I want to try that. Cheers. Nice गरम मसाले का फ्लेवर आ रहा है और एक अलग ही मसाले का टेक्स्ट, मतलब I can't describe it, but बहुत टेस्टी है. Tasty. I want to give it another shot with the चना. ये दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन है ना बहुत मस्त लग रहा है और इसमें जो मसाला डाला है ना मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या मसाला है, बट बहुत 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 ही टेस्टी है एंड वेरी माइल्ड हिंट ऑफ गरम मसाला है. So let's try it with the puri now. एकदम खस्ता पूरी है, वेरी क्रंची पूरी, मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि खींचना पड़ रहा है या बहुत यू नो एकदम मुंह में मेल्ट हो रही है जैसे बाइट लेंगे वैसे. एंड combined with this is really amazing. It's a very unique experience for me. I'm trying this for the first time and it's actually a very inviting. मैं वापस आकर ये खाना चाहूँगी, ऐसा डिश है ये. It's very nice. This dal is very earthy, very light. Yeah, and it completely complements this aloo ka sabzi and the puri. A very must try dish. अगर आप कभी चेंबूर आओ तो बिग रेस्टोरेंट है, वहाँ पे ज़रूर आइए. ये बहुत ही फेमस है फॉर देयर दाल पकवान एंड देयर पैटीज. अदर देन दैट मॉर्निंग में आइए और भी ब्रेकफास्ट के डिशेस अवेलेबल रहते हैं. वी केम इन द इवनिंग सो वी गॉट दीज टू एंड डोंट माइंड द वेटिंग टाइम क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है ये दुकान यहाँ पे चेंबूर में. यहाँ पे अंदर बैठने के लिए जगह नहीं थी इसलिए बाहर शूटिंग करनी पड़ी. चीयर्स.